What's it gonna take to really like move the ball forward and get a real good catch?
I'm just, you know, listening to my mentor, John.
Right? That fish would have to have in the corner to really grab the meat. How you gonna reel? This hand goes to here, that hand goes on the reel. There you go. Right? Yep. So that's the position. I call it being on point.
I don't pull up, right? I just start reeling.
Oh, you're gonna set the hook like
So
you did.
I'm gonna pull and I'm gonna start reeling. Just wanting him to absorb all the knowledge I can from him.
Are you absorbing it?
Well, not quite yet. Apparently I haven't learned how to set a hook.
Yeah,
Cranking.
but what happened was you pulled the hook. Okay, so you set the hook here, bam, and then you spent a fraction of a second or 2 seconds trying to figure out how to get back to here to reel.
Okay.
You set the hook in that position.
Yeah.
How do you reel? You gotta stop and slouch, you know, you gotta stop and change up. You don't want to set the hook until you're in that position.
Then when he tells you to do something, do you actually change or do you just keep doing the same thing?
No, I don't listen to him, apparently.
Adam's the only one over here really contributing. What's your secret?
I really have one. You just listen to John, you'll be successful in life.
That's a good principle. Except he's not listening too well over here, Caleb. Andrew's struggling too. He's not reeling in. He's told him about 5 times, but
Okay, go ahead. No, that's not hook set, but how to reel. Go ahead and reel. So how do you hold your rod up like that? You're Allison right there.
Yeah.
You're stuck here in your armpit. Here, step back for a second. I'm not trying to pick on you. I want you to land
It's all good.
Okay, so lift up. Okay, lift up. See, so to reel. Try to reel from that position.
Yeah,
you got no power. Now put it in your left hip pocket. Right, I'm sorry. Yeah. Right, hit your hip. Right there, square up to the pole. Okay. Switch hands. Put that hand up there. Yep. Put that hand up in front. Now lift. See how much more power you got?
Yeah.
You got all the power in the world.
question is though, are you gonna, make up for yesterday?
You better believe it. You better believe it. I'm coming in strong today. I got my listening skills just a little bit, little extra sleep. Maybe not a little extra sleep, but my listening skills are a little good this morning. I am. I'm gonna follow through and teach me a way. Learn me something good. I was pretty humbled. I was humbled yesterday when we got on the docks. He said, "You guys got to wait. Just keep waiting." He looked right at me. Nobody else. I'm gonna wait, like John said. Wait. Just keep waiting. I'm gonna wait till John says, "You better start reeling." Then I'm gonna reel.
Oh, see, they start falling off. See, you lost 2. Good catch. See? It's kind of a one swipe swing. And
There we go.
you start walking back. And bring the fish to me. There's the big thing. Lots of dots on the tail, little tiny scales. You're going to see lots of them. They got big black dots on them.
A little steadying on your part and waiting and listen to John, you get them.
87 pounds.
That's my advice.